the nature of man. How many times have you walked that line? I see through the lies, so don't waste my time. I see the wounded soul that you hide, tattered and torn in heart and mind. A body scarred, time to let me inside, looking away quickly with sickening pride, clinging to all things that you cannot hide, ashamed of yourself. How many times? How many times have you laughed and then cried? Can you be real and feel alive? You cannot find the child inside when you are blinded by the light. How many times will your bliss suffice? Disguising your victimizing deceive. How many times will you sacrifice your peace and paradise? Jesus Christ. My legend, my saga, my epic, my tale, not myth and gifts delivered to fail. Flood, fires, and hail, a holy grail. I know you can tell you're creating your nest. If I let you see and you do not deceive, you will not grow old, such wisdom achieve. Don't let me go, you've got to believe. Hang on to the hope, the rope for your dreams, because they fear and try to destroy what they cannot understand. So sadly, my friend, that's the nature of man.